Hey, how's it going? Today I'm going to go over how to draw an Among Us imposter, basically venting, right, or coming out of a vent. And he's going to be holding a weapon, right, because that's what they do. And that's pretty much it. So I'm going to be using this paper right here. This paper is regular computer paper, the stuff that comes right out of your jet printer. Totally, simple. And then marker, I'm going to be using this Acrylic brand marker. You can use anything you want. You can use a pencil, pen, anything. This is about the structure. I like using the marker because it shows up on the page. So I'm gonna begin now. You also don't have to do this with me. You can watch and just enjoy, or you can do it with me. So I'm doing this one a little bit different. I'm gonna start with this pillow slash egg shape, and that's gonna be for the front of the crewmate's kind of that visor like that the crewmate looks through. I mean, this is an imposter, but that's pretty much what's happening. I'm going to draw a straight line up here for the forehead. Straight line down a little bit over here for the kind of front of the body here. Maybe a little bit lower. I say crewmate, but let's say the imposter. So let me say the imposter from now on. I'm going to curve the top of the head right here for the imposter's head. I said it. Also, don't forget, hit the subscribe button and click that bell icon if you are interested in drawing other Among Us characters, or any other character, in fact. I'm going over every character I can think of. I'm going to put the playlist. I'm going to curve. So I'm going to draw a straight line down here. I have to interrupt myself. I'm going to draw a straight line down for the back. Down there. I'm going to put the playlist link at the top, and you're going to see all the videos that are filed in the playlist, which is everything, and you can see what you like on the channel here. Okay, so I'm going to go about halfway between this pillow shape, hover it, and then I'm going to go back here, and that is where the top of the backpack is. Not going to draw the entire backpack quite yet, so what he's going to do, he's going to be this imposter is going to be stepping out of the vent. So I'm going to have his foot kind of going out here. It's a curved line over here. Pull in for the bottom of the foot, and then I have this curved line again. He has this odd pillow, like it looks like a marshmallow stuck to a bigger marshmallow. That's what I always say. So I like thinking of stuff in simple shapes. The reason for that is I just think it's simpler, right? So a month from now, when you're trying to draw it, you'll be like, oh, marshmallow stuck to a marshmallow, right? Instead of a curved line, I don't know. It's easier to remember. Marshmallow. Marshmallow. All right. Lower part of the body here, and then it's gonna go down. And then right here, we go all the way down his other leg. But we're not going to draw it all the way because we're going to draw the vent there that he's coming out of in a minute. So I'm going to start over here, and I'm going to draw a diagonal line here for the vent. And then I'm going to go over here. Draw the other side of the vent. It's really just a straight line here, straight line here. Thinking of like a box on the floor, like imagine a sheet of paper lying on the floor. How would that look? Draw a line over here. So this line and this line are parallel, meaning they're never ever going to touch, even if you extended them forever. They're parallel. That's what parallel is. Going to fill this in over here because there's darkness that he's coming out of. Pulling the leg all the way down, just finishing this leg now that we know where that is. And I'm going to pull down over here for the backpack. Alrighty. And I'm going to fill in this bottom part as well. Okay. We're going to draw the vent open over here. So I'm going to draw a line up here. Like here, I'm going to try to make it about this length, right? Because it's opening up. And then I'm going to draw this at an angle over there. Then curve over here. Diagonal line over here. Diagonal line over here. Not diagonal, but I'm drawing strips of, imagine like strips of paper, but really they're going to be holes in that vent. And I want to make them as parallel as I can. It doesn't have to be exactly parallel. I think this one goes off a little bit. And now we're going to draw something in his hand. He's going to have like, the imposter is going to impost, right? So he is going to, we're going to draw his hand out here. So his hand's going to be here, kind of around the front side of his pillow face. So I'm going to pull a curved line over here, almost like a C shape, real simple. Curve over here for kind of this part of the hand is what I'm trying to make it look like. The fatty part where it goes to the thumb. Line over here. Line down here for the handle, right? He's got like he's wielding a butter knife, whatever. And then we're gonna draw his curved finger around there. So that's just a simple curve. And he is gonna have about 3 fingers. And then we're gonna do the bottom of his palm over here. That's missing. Bottom of the palm. What color is your favorite crewmate? Do you have a favorite color, crewmate? Mine is blue. I love blue. I would make all of these blue in the thumbnail, but it would get too, I don't know, annoying. All right, let's go over here. Straight line up. And curve around for the butter knife. Actually, I don't think it's a butter knife, right? But pull in and down. Cool, just like in the game. And there tends to be like a different shape over here, kind of a shape of, you know what I mean? When you cut stuff, it's like a different thing, you know. Can't remember what you call it. It's like the edge. Alrighty. And let me fix a couple of lines here before I could call this like finished per se. Just gonna kind of fix a couple of lines here. Don't worry, we're almost there. I'm not even gonna say the word. Well, actually, I think I did. We are done. That is it. I hope you had an amazing time doing this with me or watching me or chilling out. If you like that stuff, hit the share button if you can. Sharing is caring. Or honestly, just comment and say hi. What do you want to see from this channel? I want to make it happen for you. I want to make it happen for you. So whatever you want to do, we'll do it. Hit me in the comments, but make sure I haven't done it already. So search my channel. You can do it the search bar right on the video section. Do the search. And it'll let you know if I've done it already. Okay, so request. All right, that is it. I'll see you next time. This has been Easy Pictures to Draw, and check out the cool links in the description whenever I put them in there. See ya.